Welcome to our feature showcase. Today, we're excited to demonstrate our latest instant redemptions feature. Let's start by navigating to your bits of stock portfolio. Here, you can view your current balance over different periods, 1 month, 6 months, or any other specified date range. As you can see, our account has been steadily growing. For this demonstration, let's focus on the meta stock. In our holdings, we'll select the meta stock. This allows us to view our current position of this particular stock. Having done that, let's switch gears and move to our Bits of Stock Rewards module. Here, we find the meta stock and note that we've accumulated enough rewards to redeem them. At this point, we can redeem $5 in rewards. By clicking on the green Redeem button, we initiate a successful redemption, which will appear in your Bits of Stock portfolio within minutes. But wait, that's not all. Let's revisit the Bits of Stock portfolio. In the portfolio, we can already observe an increase in the balance, as both numbers have grown. Likewise, if we navigate to the meta stock, we can also see the changes in your position here. Now we've covered everything from initiating your redemption to seeing the values change in real time. So, go ahead and use our instant redemptions feature to simplify your redemption process.